Yowza, yowza, yowza. Yowza's ID number is A4779942. Yowza Yowza is a male brown short-haired Chihuahua mix, and we think he's about a year and 7 months old. He came into the shelter as a stray on November 27th, and he weighs about 10 pounds. Yowza Yowza has a beautiful brown coat, and he is an absolutely adorable dog. He probably needs training. Didn't walk too well on a leash for you, did he?
He walked a bit on the leash.
A little bit?
He will benefit from training though.
Yeah, definitely some training. Did you try giving him a treat and ask him to sit?
Gently. He's very excited about the treats, but he wasn't so excited about sitting.
Ah, so he would definitely need some training if you wanted him to have training. And so he got along well with other dogs, and we think he'd be great with children. He has a sweet, good-natured, gentle personality, and he's a bit picky with his furry friends. But what did he do exactly?
There would be some of the bigger dogs passing by and he barked at them.
Oh, he barked at them?
So it might be that he's either scared or just really wanted to meet them.
Yeah, that's true too. He was probably saying hello to them. It's his way.
But his kennel mates, you know, he got along really well. He has about 2 kennel mates. And
2 kennel mates? All right. So that's great. So he's a good-sized dog for any living situation, whether you have kids or whether you're an older couple or an older person looking for a companion. He's been sitting here for quite a while, and he's doing fabulous. He just is a cuddly dog and likes to be petted, and has a really sweet personality. So if you're looking for a great companion dog, come on down to the Animal Care Center and take Yowza Yowza home.